Hey guys, welcome back to GB Cars. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a product I just bought, and it is a tattoo pen. So the company is called Wormhole Tattoo, and they have this lovely kit that I purchased to do some tattoo work. You know, a little expectation that I'm going to be a great tattoo artist, so I decided to buy a kit that I can use to practice. So we're just going to be looking to see what items come inside of the tattoo kit, and walk you through the process of using the kit. All right, so some of the items that come inside of the tattoo kit: we have the manual, we have about 20 cartridge needles, and we have an extra box with needles here, so I think it's around 40 needles in total. We have a variety of tattoo inks, and I guess these are the powder base. I guess once you add water to this, you can also mix colors, but I need to do my research to find out exactly how that is done. So that's the tattoo ink. It comes with a large bottle of black ink. Okay, this one is called True Black, and it's 1 ounce of True Black ink. We have the power supply. So this is a device that basically gives the tattoo pen its power. Naturally, it has to be connected to a supply. So I'm going to show you how that is connected later. We have 2 reels of adhesive tape, and this one is wrapped around the pen so as to form a non-slide grip, so that the pen won't slip out of hand while using the device. We have a variety of ink containers here, small ink containers that we would put the ink in while performing the tattooing. Let's see what's in this box. This is a foot well control, so while it's on the floor you can use your foot to adjust the start and stop of the device. We have some plastic protective case that is placed over the pen while using the device, and we have some gloves, some latex gloves that should be worn while performing the tattoo. And most importantly is the tattoo pen. Now this one, as I said earlier, is a Wormhole tattoo pen, and it says here professional tattoo equipment for artists. So let's do the unboxing here. Low noise, precision control, long working hours. So let's see. I haven't pulled it yet, so we're going to pull it here for the first time. I think that's it, yeah. All right, so we slide out the device like this. Let's see what's in it. You see some rings here. I'm not certain what those rings are used for, but as soon as I put the device together, we'll figure that out. So I guess this is the connection, the device to the power supply. And this is the actual tattoo pen. Now I must say it has some weight. It's not very light. It feels very heavy in terms of it doesn't feel cheap. Okay, so we have the connection that should be made here. Very well. Nope, it goes here. So it goes right there. Okay. And All right, let's try putting it together. So first step is to pull the power supply. All right, so very straightforward device here. Comes with a plug. So we connect the plug into this side of the device. We connect our tattoo pen in the section here. It's called linear. And for the footwell, just taking off the section here. This one goes on the floor, obviously. So let's pull that apart. Put it down here. And then this one is connected here. And I must say, the craftsmanship on this device is very good. So we have 1 and 0, 0 being off, 1 being on. So we're gonna turn it on for the first time. Okay, I haven't inserted any of the needles. So, okay, let's do that. Variety of cartridges here. Let's take off one of them. All right, it says it's for single use only. So these are not designed for multiple tattoo sessions. So once you're finished with the needle, you discard of them. Obvious reasons, they go into your skin, so you know that means that, you know, they should not be reusable. So it goes in like this and then turns. Okay, so I guess that sets it in position. Yeah, so once you turn it, it locks. You can release it, so you push it in and turn and twist it, and it's locked into position there. Okay, let's try it again. Alright, so we're going to turn it on for the... So now when it's being used, I guess you would put over the sleeve and the adhesive tape at the top here so that it's firmly, you have a firm grip. But let's turn it on and see what's this like. Here we go. On. I see 7.3 here on the power supply. You can adjust it down or you can turn it up, as you see right there. Okay, and I'm gonna use a footwell. So so there it is. So we have power here. As I say, it's a very sturdy device and it seems to be doing what it's supposed to do. You can adjust how deep it goes in as well. Let's go there and twist that. Okay. Yeah, so this is the Wormhole tattoo pen, and this is my little review of it. I hope you guys enjoyed. A link in the description will be there, you know, to show you where I purchased mine from. And there are a variety of different type of tattoo pens available on the market. I did my little research in this one and it seems to be very durable and got a lot of good reviews. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you next. I'm sorry for if it's a bit too long, but I had to make it as detailed as possible. So I'll see you guys in the next video.